What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. And on today's episode, we are here in Upland at Cable Airport for Wings and Wheels car show. It is the second Sunday of every month, and we are out here. This is my first time coming to this show. I think Mitchell's been here a couple times. We got the G35, we got the SS, and we're just gonna do kind of a quick walk around, check out all the cars. There is another SS, you guys. I see another one. I'm excited. I gotta go see who that is, because it's another SS. There's not that many, and that's like more of the darker blue, more of the color kind of like the Camaro. So yeah, a little different. Mine's a little bit lighter. That's more of a darker blue. So gonna be really cool. A lot of Corvettes, actually a lot of exotics too. A lot of McLarens, Ferraris. There is a Viper. There's a lot of cool stuff, and I'm genuinely surprised because most of the shows that we go to, you don't see many of them, so it should be interesting. But yeah, had to bring the SS out here. You know, that I don't have the Z, so couldn't really bring that. Would have loved to have brought that, but it's okay. I think a lot of the Corvette guys are going to appreciate the SS here, so should be fun. And let's go ahead, get started, and go walk around this place.
I see the floors bend beneath me. Crazy how it's easy to see. I let it move and control me. Gone with the stars, don't even try to get me back for the night. I feel love like Donna. Do what I want all summer. Fly like a star. Never fall back down, down, down. I see the throne. Make it break through the ceiling. Can't you see I'm willing to let it go? Yeah, I let it move and control me. Gone with the stars, don't even try to get me back for the night.
Careful with your pretty eyes and run with me, you're done. 'Cause you and I are a secret. Feel my drift against your skin. 'Cause honestly, let's hold our breath, this is so real. Just you and me, let's escape, girl, tonight.
Alrighty, you guys, that is going to conclude today's car show video, and what a blast. Definitely going to be coming to this show because you guys obviously saw the stuff that's here. Nuts. I was not expecting to see a Porsche Carrera GT or the Countach or most of the stuff that's here. I mean, the Ferraris, the McLarens, it's everything. Classics, exotics, muscle. It is crazy. There's so many cars, Mustang communities all over there. And yeah, there's so much stuff here. A Ford GT right there. You guys, we're gonna definitely have to come to these more often. And want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Don't know what it'll be. Definitely gonna be some more car stuff. Maybe another car show, not sure. And we'll catch you guys later. Infinity and SS out.